It's been a week. विनेश फोगाट की सिल्वर पदक की विक्ट्री, हॉकी में ब्रॉन्ज, कमला हैरिस के नए वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का चयन, बांग्लादेश से शेख हसीना का निष्कासन, यूके में रेसिस्ट की रायटिंग, टेलर स्विफ्ट के कॉन्सर्ट में टेरर थ्रेट्स एंड कंटिन्यूड डेवास्टेटिंग विजुअल्स कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. आई एम एग्जॉस्टेड. एंड इफ यू आर ऑल्सो, गो ईजी ऑन योर सेल्फ, क्योंकि इस सब हेडलाइंस में एनी पर्सनल लाइफ इश्यूज यू मे बी डीलिंग विद वो तो काउंट ही नहीं हुए हैं. It's been a week. Raise your hand if until this moment, amid all of this, you'd completely forgotten there was a sequel to Haseen Dilruba also releasing on Netflix. Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel, where for about 5 to 10 minutes at a time, I give you a reason to think about cinema and where entertainment fits into this weird, wild, crazy, horrible and wonderful world we live in. आज आओ, let's talk about फिर आई हसीन दिलरुबा starring तापसी पन्नू in the lead role, directed by Jayaprad Desai. A direct sequel to Haseen Dilruba, this new one starts off soon after the events of the first. If you've forgotten the important plot points from then, don't worry. A quick montage is in place to remind you who kills and who is at the receiving end of said killing. In Agra, now Rani lives as a widow in a rented room, works as a beautician, and meets with her alive, dead husband secretly. The plan is to get out of town as soon as possible. Right on cue, a police inspector shows up with a personal agenda to stop them from carrying out this plan, played by professional cameo insert / eternal cutie Jimmy Shergill. Also in the mix is the new guy, compounder Abhimanyu, who is Sunny Kaushal, who also wants to get with Rani, further complicating her life. Film pehle shot se wants to commit to the very specific styling that gave the first one its flavor. As you see Rani in a sexy cotton sari, drenched in the rain in the middle of the night, running into a police station, asking them to save her from her murderer's husband. The cheap railway station novel palette is visible. It's exciting. Writer Kanika Dhillon has a knack for finding which shades of human emotion look best on Taapsee Pannu at all times. Regardless of who is directing her, this writer-actor pair operates like a well-oiled machine. It's really delightful to watch. However, the overall story and screenplay, not so much. Sensational pulp is a delicate art form, not as broad strokes as it may seem, especially when it has to be contained in the duration of a feature film without the luxury of hundreds of pages of a novel or the never-ending airtime allotted to cable TV soaps. The compression here leads to the structure sort of collapsing under its own weight, its debris turning into sludge under the torrential rain from that opening scene. Taapsee Pannu and Vikrant Massey bring the masala, two twisted freaks who are straight up unstable. Add to the mix Sunny Kaushal smiling the creepiest smile I've seen in a minute. It's a recipe for a sexy thriller. The movie, though, never quite blooms into it. Aditya Srivastava and Jimmy Shergill's character don't actually do much police work. The case sort of proceeds on its own steam, mostly propelled by the criminals doing more crimes. Because the cops are barely ever hot on their chase, the danger of these people getting caught red-handed is sort of lost. The shame and playing with the limits of shame, ki what does it mean to live raunchily, vulgarly, but never quite obnoxiously outside of the rules, वो शर्म से खेलकूद जो रानी कमीन हथियार मोडस ऑपरेंडी था पिछली फिल्म में, that's a little lost. Perhaps in an homage to the pulpiest of them all, Khoon Bhari Maang. There is a subplot in this film about crocodile-infested waters, and I love a good crocodile on my screen. If you're living in a small town जिसमें मतलब तालाब में मगरमच्छ आ गए हैं, तो नेचर का बैलेंस बिगड़ गया है. Very nice. साथ में लेकिन एडिट का बैलेंस भी ऑफ है. Some scenes are straight up cut mid-action to hide the next move from the viewers, but it's done with the finesse of a bull in a china shop, and hence they're more abrupt than intriguing, making it seem like shots are straight up missing from the lineup. A DNA report results show up while a near encounter is about to happen. More people turn up dead without much dot connection. And the attempt to trick the viewer into believing a character is dead when they're really not is overplayed. Means that was already the big twist in the first one, wasn't it? Now, there's not a whole lot more insight I can provide here about this film on account of me being unable to read much more into it. I did, however, very much enjoy Raj Shekhar's song Sach Hi Tujhe Azad Karega, composed by Anurag Saikia, and I think full protest anthem potential है गाने में. Anti-establishment collage video अगर बनाना है Twitter के लिए तो YouTube पर जाओ और सुनो. फिल्म लग गई है Netflix पर. So on a scale of 1 to 10, फिर आई हसीन दिलरुबा is 600 historical events हो गए हैं इस हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर चल रहे हैं. अगेन इफ यू आर फीलिंग पमल्ड थोड़ा आसपास चौपाटी या पार्क में आज डिनर के बाद सैर करके आओ. मतलब what else to do? My name is Sucharita. We're trying to hit that 150,000 mark on this channel. I need you to subscribe. I need you to like this video, share it with someone. जो subscribe का button है right under this video, you need to click it for my sake. Thank you for stopping by.